Hi team! Let me show you how our new HubSpot integration with WhatsApp works using Eazybe Chrome Extension. Imagine you're in WhatsApp, chatting with a client. With our extension, you can now interact directly with HubSpot. If you need to check something in HubSpot, just click the extension button, go to HubSpot. You can smoothly switch from WhatsApp to HubSpot and back. For example, if you're chatting with a client and need to access their HubSpot details, one click takes you right there. Moreover, all conversations with your HubSpot contacts are automatically backed up in HubSpot. You can access these chats within HubSpot, organized by date, making it easy to review past conversations. Additionally, if you need to update a contact's details, you can do that directly from within the extension. Say you want to change a contact's name to, just type the new name, click Save, and it's instantly updated in HubSpot. Furthermore, you can create tasks, note, deal, and ticket options directly from the extension. This feature streamlines your workflow, allowing you to manage your schedule and follow-ups without leaving WhatsApp. It's important to note that only chats with your HubSpot contacts are backed up to HubSpot. Your personal chats remain private and are not included in the backup. Lastly, if you meet a new client and need to add them to HubSpot, it's easy. Open the extension, click on Contact, then Create Contact. Enter the new contact's name, click Create Contact, and the new contact is immediately added to HubSpot. Let's talk about chat backup. With Eazybe, all your conversations are securely backed up, ensuring you never lose valuable customer data. Whether it's yesterday's deal or last month's inquiry, everything is safely stored and easily accessible whenever you need it. Next, we've got two-way sync, the ultimate convenience. Our Go Back to WhatsApp button lets you instantly switch between your CRM and WhatsApp, keeping both platforms perfectly in sync. No more manual entries, no more jumping through hoops, just seamless, real-time integration. Now, if you're ever looking to disconnect or uninstall Eazybe from HubSpot, no worries. It's a smooth process. You can easily remove the integration from your CRM without any data loss or technical hassles, giving you full control over your workflows. With Eazybe, staying on top of your chats has never been this simple or smart. This integration is designed to make your workflow more efficient by seamlessly integrating WhatsApp Web and HubSpot. Thanks for your time. If you have any questions or need further clarification, just let me know.